is a trick known as spelling bee, and follow along with me because it's self-working. It does require a setup. Only 13 cards, but it is a setup, okay? So this is the setup. You have queen, jack, 10, ace, 6, 9, 3, 2, king, 8, 7, 5, and 4, okay? So that's your setup, okay? So pause the video and get those 13 cards out. They have to be the spades. That's how the trick was taught. You can take any of the 4 suits. This goes on top of the deck. Now you have the spectator do a riffle shuffle, not an overhand shuffle, not a Hindu shuffle, but a riffle shuffle. If a spectator cannot do a riffle shuffle, have them do a Rosetta shuffle. So you simply are going to have them cut half of the cards to the right, and then take this right hand packet, turn it clockwise, take the left hand packet, turn it counterclockwise, and you could just have them push the cards together, and they can legitimately push them. Doesn't matter how well the cards are shuffled. Actually, the worse the shuffle, the better, because believe it or not, when you scoop these cards up together, the cards are now going to be in reversed order, okay? So look at what happened. When you actually start to spread and look for the spades, the cards are now in reversed order. There goes the 4, 5, 7, 8, king, 2, the 3, the 9, the 6, the ace, the 10, the queen, the jack, and the queen. Now these rest of these cards go out to the side, but as you can see, the cards are still stacked, but they're now in reverse order, okay? So now what you're gonna do is, in the trick, they tell you to reverse the cards like this. I think a better way is just do an overhand shuffle, but shuffling one card each, okay? So just keep shuffling one card at a time. So you've reversed all 13 cards. Now, spell to the card. Spell ace. Take one card for each letter and put it on the bottom. So ace. A, C, E, and the card on top is an ace. Do that for 2. T, W, O, and then turn over 2. Now for every odd card, 3, 5, 7, 9, and jack, you're going to misspell them the first time. They won't spell for the first time. You can either misspell them as long as it contains the exact amount of letters, or you can spell them the first time and it's never going to appear. So for example, if you want to do it like in gag, you can say, okay, look, watch what happens when I snap my fingers. Now spell 3. T, H, R, E, E. You turn the card over and it's not a 3. Then you say, look, what happens if I slap the deck? Now when you spell 3 the second time, it's going to appear. T, H, R, E, E. Then you turn the card over, it's 3. This only happens for the odd cards, not for the even